Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on emptying the gallery recycle bin on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you delete photos on your phone, they don't get permanently deleted right away. They go to the recycle bin, where they are stored for 30 days before being deleted. This is to prevent you from deleting things by mistake and not being able to recover them. Having photos in your recycle bin can use up a lot of storage on your phone if you take and delete lots of photos. You can empty the recycle bin to free up storage on your phone. To empty the gallery recycle bin, open up the Gallery app on your phone. Tap the 3 horizontal lines button in the bottom right of the Gallery app. Then choose Recycle Bin from the menu that appears. Tap the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner, and then tap Empty. Tap Delete on the pop-up that appears. Your gallery recycle bin is now empty. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.